Hello, Mr. Jones. This is the document containing all of my favorite quotes from the second part of Electric Universe. Important thing to note is that the page numbers in this document will be different than the page numbers of the hard copy that you have because I am reading Electric Universe on my Kobo, which is an ebook. And obviously the pages are smaller and therefore have different numbers. So here are all of the favorite quotes that I've gathered in this Word document instead of highlighting them in the physical copy. And yep, my favorite quote out of all of them that I've gathered is the very last one here that occurred on page 135. The quote is, "When you phone someone, all you're doing is sending along an invisible force field which shakes the electrons that are already waiting in your listener's phone." So I've always wondered, from a science point of view, how when you talk into your phone, it just magically translates into the other person's phone. And the fact that it just explains this, how the waves that are transmitted from phone to phone shake the electrons that are in the phone, and the electrons just aren't magically moving across the universe and gathering in the listener's phone. It finally explained to me the theory of phone calls and that question that I can never really wrap my head around how phone calls work. So that was really interesting to me, and I really enjoyed learning about that in this chapter about waves.